upgrade video, yeah. Hi, babe. What's going on YouTube? Just sitting here on my hog. I did a little upgrade today, and I'm going to show you. Today we did, well, here, let me turn the camera around real quick. Oh, yeah, okay, now we got the camera turned around. So, I don't know if I remember saying it or saying it in the first video, but one of the lights was out. So, instead of me buying another Harley Davidson light, which was very expensive, I went and did some research on Amazon and YouTube to find out what LEDs, packages, or whatever I could buy to upgrade the bike to LED. Because this is a 2012 and it's not LED. So yeah, I did some research. There was a whole bunch of different brands, Eagle Lights and all these other ones. And I wanted to go with the most cost effective. And I found these. They're called Truck Mall. You get the main headlight and the two outer lights, LED, okay? And they come with all of the hardware necessary, okay? But because it's a Softail Deluxe, there was no hardware necessary. It was literally plug and play for every single light bulb. Now, these smoked lenses down here used to be the signal lights. There used to be a regular bulb and then an orange, lens cover. So I put in these screw-in LED. They go right into the factory socket, and they shine white during normal usage, and then they blink amber or yellow when you put your signals or hazards on, okay? And like I said, the cool thing about the stuff that I bought is it's all plug and play. Literally, you had to pop the lens covers off, unscrew the regular stock light bulb, screw the new one, the LED in, pop the smoked lens cover on, and voila. These were super, super simple. There's a little screw right here, okay? That takes off the beauty trim right here. And then you unscrew 3 screws, and the old headlight comes out, and you reuse the little trim bracket piece for the new LED bulb, and plug it into the stock wiring harness. Same thing with this. There's a little screw Phillips head right there. I think it would focus. Right there. You unscrew that, and it pulls this beauty trim off. Unplug the light. Focus. And voila. Now in the back here, same thing. These used to be yellow lens covers. Okay, same thing. These are red. Okay. And then in here is an easy LED bulb to replace. You just take the screws out and take off the license plate bracket, which is one nut and bolt. And then also you have the LED tag light. Very simple. It was the easiest light install that I've ever done, ever. Now, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on so I can show you what they look like. Once again, this is the light off. Now, I know what you're going to say. Oh, you should have done a video of you installing it. I was going to, but me and my son were doing it together, and I was like, you know what? I don't feel like getting the camera out and doing time lapses and stuff. But yeah, let's just take a look. Ugh. Oh my goodness, that's pretty. That is pretty. And nice and bright. Same thing back here. I'm going to go ahead and turn the flashers on so you can see the difference with the Look at this. No hyper flashing. Okay, LED all the way around. Nice and bright. That's freaking awesome. And then as soon as you turn them off, they go back to white. Yeah, and this, like I said, 2012. I didn't have any issues with hyper flashing at all. So yeah, and I know you want to hear it, so we'll just start it up real quick before I cover her for the night. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Oh yeah. And don't worry, folks, the bike has been used about an hour and a half, 2 hours ago. So that was not a cold start rev. I know a lot of people will be like, oh man, the guy's doing cold start revs. He's going to blow it up. That's not the case. Anyway, for those of you that didn't see the other video about me getting the bike, it's a 2012 Softail Deluxe. It's got 10-inch ape hangers on it with the custom steel braided cables. It has 36-inch Bassani fishtails, true dual. It's got the Tombstone LED, Tombstone brake light housing with LEDs in it now, obviously. I do have a back seat for it. I do have the side pegs for it, so that way when I get comfortable enough to throw a passenger on, I will put the seat on and try it out with a passenger. I also bought this thing, little storage thing. You know, it's pretty nice. This was like, I don't know, this was like maybe $20 on Amazon, really, and it's not too bad. It's not too bad. You go to Harley Davidson to get stuff like this, and it's like $90, $100, you know. But anyway, let's finish talking about the lights. So you want to know how much it cost to do a full light upgrade on a Harley? It literally took me and my son about an hour, and I used a flathead screwdriver, and I used a Phillips head screwdriver. That was the only tools I needed. That was the only tools I needed for the job. Literally plug and play. For the truck mall main lights, $100. $100, folks, for these lights. I watched a lot of videos on them, and yeah, they're cheap. They're affordable. My God, $100. Because if you go to like Eagle Lights or that other company, you could spend up to like, $300-$400 on these three lights. And if you go to Harley, you're going to spend almost $1,000. Okay? So $100. The links for these items will be in the description box below. The lights here were $100. These four, all the signals in the front and the signals in the back. Maybe I think it was $40 for the front, $40 for the back, and then the smoked lenses came with them. And then those are just standard tag light bulbs. I can't remember the number, but I'll put a link to them in the description. I bought a 10-pack of those bulbs. I even changed out the tag lights on the car here, Oh, I don't have the keys on me. Oh, well. But, yeah. The 23 Hyundai Palisade comes with a full LED kit as well, except for the damn tag lights. So I changed those out to LEDs as well. Next thing, I got to do some LEDs on this damn thing. This thing. Anyway. I'm going to try to figure out a way to do some moto vlogging for you guys. I've got numerous GoPros and microphones. I just got to figure out where the best place to mount the microphone so you can hear the motorcycle and not the wind noise. And I don't really know if I'm going to be doing moto vlogs where I'm talking to you, because I just think I don't know. I enjoy watching a moto vlog, but I don't really know about doing moto vlogs where it's just talking, you know? I don't know. I don't know. Comment below. Let me know what you think. First upgrade is done and complete. I took the bike out today for a little bit. Rode really good. Put gas in it for the first time. Tell you, man. Next thing I got to do is do a really good detail on it. The dealership that I got it from did a really nice job cleaning it and, you know, getting it prepped for delivery. But I want to do it my way, like meticulously, if you know what I mean. If anybody's ever seen pictures of my truck when I was over the road, my vehicles, how clean I keep them, you know how this thing needs. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, stay tuned. The links for the lights that I bought will be in the description box. Okay, and literally, it's as easy as I said it was. It's all plug and play. Now on the newer bikes, like my brother has a 2018, I think, Softail Deluxe, and his came with LEDs from Harley. Now I've seen videos where they compare the Harley lights to these aftermarket truck mall Amazon special for $100, and these are brighter than the Harley ones. So if you're looking to do upgrades on your bike, check out those links in the description box. And no, this is not a paid advertisement. I just wanted LEDs on the bike for safety and for a better look. So yeah. Comment below, hit the like button on your way out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Yeah.